Do you know that you could have turned $2,000 into $100,000 in the last 10 years, all while you were sipping your coffee? No joke. Starbucks was $10 in 2020 per share, and today it is $106. So that means $1,000 invested in Starbucks would now be worth $10,000. That's 1,000% growth, 10 times. Similarly, Netflix that you watch, right, was also $10 in 2012, and today, 9 years later, it is at $535 per share. That means if you would have invested $1,000 in Netflix, today that would be worth $53,500. How cool is that? Don't you call this passive income? So this is how you can achieve passive income in stock market, by buying and keeping stocks which are good companies, profitable companies, growth companies, value oriented companies for the long term. Okay? Here is the best part. Would it be nice if you can even recover those $1,000 that you invested first? You can, by doing something called writing covered calls, which is you collect a small premium every month on the shares that you hold, and that acts as additional income. Consider this. You invested $2,000 in 2010 in two companies, Starbucks and Netflix. Today, they are worth $100,000 to you. Your $2,000 investment grew to become $100,000, right? This $100,000, if you're a Singaporean, is not even taxed, because this is capital gains, which is not taxed. So it's tax-free income for you. And don't forget, this income is cash. Isn't this awesome? So all you need to know is how to invest in the stock market, how to find this kind of growth companies which in next 10 years will grow by 1,000 to 1,000, 5,000%. All right, and park a small amount of money like 1,000 to 1,000 inside. Now, who doesn't have $1,000, right? When a freaking iPhone costs more than $1,000. All right. My name is Raj, and I teach how to invest in the stock markets and collect three types of income. One, long-term income by growth of the company. Two, collecting dividends while you wait. Three, collecting something like rent premium every month for 10 long years. So you have monthly income for 10 years, you have dividend income for 10 years, and then you also have awesome growth in the original investment that you made. Sounds fabulous? Are you willing to learn all this if I teach you only below $1,000? Yes, I am running a special promotion where I am teaching this for only $999. You can book this now. Book your seat. I am going to open this special window for only 20 people, and then the window is closed, because this course actually cost $2,500. So I'll take you from zero, from the ground up, all the way until I teach you these three things, right? How to buy stocks, how to write covered calls, and also how to find out these stocks and everything else that you need, like looking at charts, using the trading platform, or also hunting for the right stocks which are value growth companies for the next 10 years. Book your seat now, and I'll see you on the inside.